everyone, my name is Victoria White. Welcome to my studio. Many of you asked me to record a tutorial how you can create social media post in Adobe Express if you never worked with graphic design before. So guys, today is the day. Today we will create Hello Fall Facebook post in Adobe Express and we will be using Adobe Firefly. So guys, let's rock and roll. You can see that I have already opened Adobe Express on the web. In Get Started workspace, we have all templates we can start with. I will hover my mouse over Facebook post. And now I have two choices. I can browse templates, all available templates for Facebook, and I can use any of those templates to create my Facebook post, or I can start from scratch. And today we will start from scratch. So what I will do, I will click on Create from Scratch and just like that. Adobe Express redirected me to create a Facebook post workspace. By default, Adobe Express redirected us to Media Workspace because Adobe Express is smart enough to understand. Victoria, you created empty blank for Facebook post, so of course you will need to bring some media in it. Maybe photos, maybe video, maybe audio. Today we will work with photos. We can start browsing all available photos from all available libraries, or we can search for any photo in Adobe Stock, from Adobe Stock. We can upload our photos from device, or we can use Adobe Firefly text to image option. Today we will start with Adobe Firefly. I will click on text to image, and Adobe Firefly in Adobe Express is asking, Victoria, what generative image size you want me to create with? Because Facebook post has a square size, I will specify square. So I will click on square and just like that. Adobe Firefly creates a placeholder for my generative image. I can resize it now or later. Leave it as it is. In the prompt area, I will specify what I want Adobe Firefly to generate for me. I will type beautiful autumn background, just like that. Let's talk about text. Let's talk about our prompt. Please don't stress over how complicated your prompt is supposed to be. Prompt is the way to let Adobe Firefly know what you want Adobe Firefly to generate for you. Because we are creating Facebook Hello Fall post, I would like Adobe Firefly to generate beautiful autumn background for me. So my prompt is very simple, beautiful autumn background. Next step is content type. By default, Adobe Firefly set content type to art. You can expand the library and you can set your content type to none, photo, graphic or art. I would like art, so I'm happy with Firefly choice. Same applies to style. By default, Adobe Firefly specifies style to popular. You can change to any of other available styles. Same applies to type of art. I leave it as it is. After I'm happy with everything, I will click on Generate. Adobe Firefly will analyze my text, my prompt, my content type, my style, and voila. Adobe Firefly generated 4 images for me, just like that. I can use any of generated image I love the most. I like this one. If you want to see more options, or you don't like any of generated images, you can click on Load More and Adobe Firefly will generate more images for you. I like this one. So now I can resize it to fit my Facebook size, just like that. Or I can click on the image, just like that, and I can ask Adobe Express to set this image as a page background, just like that. Now time to add some text. I will click on text icon to be redirected to text workspace. Here I can search for text or I can add my own text. I will add my own text today. I will click on add your text and I will change text to hello fall, just like that. I will select my text and I will change color of it. So while I have selected my text, I will click on fill icon and I will be redirected to fill workspace when I can choose any color Adobe Express suggested. So Adobe Express recommended those dark colors. I'm not happy about this, so I will be not using any of them. I can use any color from other library, or I can click on more colors option to expand it and I can pick any color from other library. If I don't like any of those colors, I can click on custom and I can set my text. I can specify any color I would like to apply to my text, or I can click on eyedropper tool and I can pick color from my image. So this is what I did. Now let's talk about font. We can browse 100 fonts available for us, or we can make everything easier for us. We can use a recommended font. Let's click on view all, and here guys we have all recommended fonts for us, recommended by Adobe Express. Let's click on this one, and just like that, this font was applied to my text. If I would like to switch to any other, I can do it as well. Now I will be back to my text. I will select it just like that, and I will increase size of my text just like that. If for some reason, let reposition text, I would like to change font of my text, I can do it at any time without any stress. Or I would like to add outline to my text, I can do it as well. Let's expand recommended font and I will change to this one. Yes, I like this one the most. Look at this. And again guys, you can modify your text at any time. You can change color, you can change font, you can add outline, or you can add shadow, shape, and text effect and everything like that. Today we will talk about animations. So what I will do, I will click on animation at the bottom side of my right screen, and Adobe Express redirected us to animation workspace. We have three types of animations. We have in, looping, and out. Today we will use only in. So I will click on in to be redirected to in animations library. Here I can preview all available animations for us. And the best part, I don't have to click on any animation to preview it. I can hover my mouse over and I will be able to preview. I like kind of spin or grow. Oh, I like grow more. So I will click on grow to apply this animation to my text. I can change duration of my animation. Also personality, I can change to smooth, strong, energetic, or loud. Let's do energetic, just like that. Yes, just like that. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. Now I will position my scrubber to the end of my animation, like here, and I will click on elements. Here guys, what I will do, I will ask Adobe Express to find specific asset for me. Autumn leaf, just like that. And I will click OK. I'm sorry, I made mistake. Autumn leaf, just like that, and voila. Adobe Express shows a library with autumn leaves asset. Let's scroll it up, and here I have this beautiful leaf. I will click on it, and just like that, Adobe Express did add this leaf to our design. I'm sorry, I made mistake. So if you made mistake like I made, don't stress out. At the top right side of your screen, you have undo button. Just click on it, and just like that, Adobe Express will fix it. I made mistake because I didn't specify a layer I want to modify. On the right side of your screen, guys, you have a layers panel. This is super helpful, like in Photoshop. I will click on my leaf to select my leaf layer, and I will rotate it just like that, and I will move it up just like that. Maybe down. Let's do it down, and I will scale size of the leaf down just like that. Look at this. Now guys, I can animate this leaf as well. So what I will do, while my leaf layer is highlighted, I will click on animation, and I will click on looping animation library. In looping animation library, I will preview all available animations for us, and I love a bigger one just like that. What I will do, I will decrease speed, so I will make this animation flow a little bit slower, just like that, and let's preview just like that. You know what? Maybe I will move this leaf somewhere here. Yes. What I want, guys, I want to make this leaf moving, but not interacting with my text. So somewhere here, just like that. And let's preview. Let's preview everything. Just like that. Just like that. Now, guys, you can trim your animation. You don't need to have this long animation. You can trim it like I do it right now, just to 2.5 seconds, and let's preview it. Just like that. Beautiful. And your animation is ready. Your Facebook post is ready. If you are a business owner and you would like to add your logo, you can do it as well. What I will do, I will click on your stuff, and I was redirected to my stuff library workspace. Here I will click on brands and libraries, and here I have my logo. I will click on it, and Adobe Express will add it to my post. Of course, I can reposition it. I can scale size of it down just like that, and I will position it on the right. And voila, guys, this is our animation. You can add as many assets as you like. Example, if I will click on element, and I will ask to display autumn leaf one more time, and I will scroll it up. Here, guys, we have very nice sun rays. I will click on it to add to my design. I will reposition it on top. I will scale size up a little bit, and I will click on animation. Here, I will click on looping animation library and see, you know what, maybe I will increase size of it just like that. Yes. And let's see. No. Maybe just like that. Yes, this. We can specify speed. We will slow down the speed, and we will decrease intensity about 3. And let's play our entire animation. If you don't like any assets you did add to your image, like I don't like it now, I can delete it at any time. Just be sure that you have selected asset you would like to delete. Select this asset layer and click delete key, just like that. And now let's play just like that. And again, look at this. We have huge library. Let's try this sun. Click on it. Yes. Increase size of our sun rays and position it at the top of our design, just like that. Look at this. You can add animation to it, or you can leave it as it is. It's up to you. I like it as it is because I would like to animate. I have enough animation in my Facebook post. I have animated text and animated leaf. So this is my Facebook post. So guys, what we will do now, after we're happy with everything, we will click on download, just like that. And here you can specify video resolution. I will specify to source size like it is. You can specify to 4K and any other video resolution you like. You know what? Let's do 4K and click download. Adobe Express will take few seconds to download your file to your hard drive. And this is, guys, our image, our Facebook post. Look at this. Just like that. Just under few minutes, we have created beautiful Facebook post, hello fall. And the best part, you don't need to have any graphic design experience. Just enjoy your creation. Share your passion with your audience. So guys, thank you so much for your time. I hope you like this video. I hope you will start creating your social media posts using Adobe Express and Adobe Firefly in Adobe Express. And if you will create something after this video, and I hope so, please share your creation on Twitter or Instagram and tag me with your creations. I can't wait to see what you will create after this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.